I just picked up this cervical neck traction device. I've been having some pain in my upper back and into my spine as well as my neck. Usually I try to get some type of massages when I end up sleeping wrong or anything like that, but as you know, it is super expensive to keep getting massages or to go to chiropractors, so I wanted to give this a try, something that I could do at home and on a daily basis more often to correct my posture and any kind of pain relief. So this is actually very simple. I've already used it multiple times these past couple weeks. It is super adjustable, as you can see here on the right side. This is gonna go ahead and push your neck more up. It has one on each side here, so you can turn these sides here and it'll go ahead and raise it up more. Another adjustable piece here is gonna be on the back, so this is gonna go ahead and tighten it. As you can see, when I turn it, it's gonna go ahead and pull it tighter and have a better fit underneath your chin, and then you can go ahead and loosen it the opposite way. You can also see this cord that is attached on the back here, so on the back of your head you're gonna go ahead and see this padded ribbing here. So what this does is it actually connects to this pump device here. All you do is plug in just like that, and you have this device here that is rechargeable on the top as well. When you press this here, it's going to go ahead and pump up these ribbing pieces on the back, so it's just going to give you more of a form fitting on the back of your head once you have it on. From there, if you wanted to, you could remove it by simply turning and pulling out, and if you wanted to get rid of the stiffness of this, if it might not be comfortable or if you're ready to take it off, all you have to do is take the cord off like this and press down. That's going to remove all of the air and it'll be much easier to remove then. So it's super easy to put on. All you do is set it to the most loose settings and then fit it over your head just like this. From there, what you could do next is you could tighten the back. What this is going to do is it's going to pull it more forward towards underneath your neck. So now you can see it is much more fitted. Right here, it's already very fitted. I could just leave it like this and I could tell it's already doing its job. But if you wanted to take it a notch further, what you could do is use these two notches on the side here and simultaneously just go ahead and push it to each click and it'll keep raising, as you can see. And if it's too high, you can go ahead and just turn it backwards. Once you have it at the height desired, then you can go ahead and just leave it like that. If you wanted to, you can go ahead and connect this into the cord in the back. So all you do is simply grab it here, plug it in here, grab the device, and you will feel it tighten up in the back. So this is gonna go ahead and push on the top of your back spine down, so it's gonna give it even more of a fitted feel. Honestly, I would recommend using this once you have it on. It definitely gives it more of a comfortable feel. And again, if you don't like it, you can go ahead and twist and remove it. Simply press down here, and it's going to go ahead and relieve that pressure. This is going to go ahead and fit most people out there. It has a neck circumference around here, anywhere from about 13.5 inch up to a 16, almost 17 inch circumference. And the height range goes anywhere from a 3 inch up to almost a 5 inch. This will help keep your head and neck in a aligned position and a neutral position. By utilizing this on the daily, you can use it a couple times every day. It's gonna help with any kind of neck stiffness or soreness. If you have any numbness in your shoulders or your neck, if you happen to sleep wrong, or if you're laying on your shoulder wrong, this will definitely help out with that. Sometimes I've even had headaches before and I wasn't too sure where it was from because I've already had water, I've already eaten, I'm not too sure where that headache is coming from. It possibly could be coming from your muscles as well. So I've went ahead and used this before when I've had a headache, and it went ahead and relieved that headache, which has been amazing. I honestly didn't think this would work as good, and it honestly kind of replaced the chiropractor and going to a masseuse. When you're first using this, if you wanted to start slow, you can also just do it for once a day for around 5 minutes, but once you start to get used to it and your body feels like it's more comfortable having this on, you could use it anywhere from 1 to 2, even 3 times a day, and anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes. This is going to help if you have any kind of neck compression as well. It's going to be something that you want to use on the daily. You want to be pretty consistent with this, and over time your muscles and your spine is going to go ahead and adjust to fitting the way that you have this on. Again, it's going to help to lock and maintain your posture and relieve that joint pressure as well. It does have medical grade ABS material, so that's nice to know. You can bring this anywhere with you. As you saw, it's super easy to put on and take off, and all this that you see here is going to be included in the package as well, so there's nothing extra that you need to buy with this to start using it once you receive it in the mail. You can use this in any type of situations. If you're working, if you're just relaxing, hanging out, meditating, meditating or anything like that. You can use it in any type of scenario, which is nice. I actually had a friend that believed he had a pinched nerve. He wasn't too sure, but he didn't want to go to the doctor, so I recommended trying this out, and he said he definitely felt a relief in pain and the compression on that pinched nerve as well. Again, this isn't going to be something that you use it one time and it's going to be fixing your problem. You're going to want to use this every day, a couple times every single day for anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes, or if you wanted to, you could do it longer as well. This is going to be something that your body needs to adapt to over time to relieve that pressure and help adjust your posture as well. When you first put it on, make sure to have it on the loosest settings possible, because I've had some friends try it and I left it on the setting that I had it on and it was a little bit too tight for them, but I went ahead and just loosened up all the settings for them, and once they were able to put it on, they can adjust it exactly to their liking. Also, with having this chest mount here, it's going to go ahead and push down on your chest and have nice stability to go ahead and raise your neck up. So if you have any kind of shoulder pain or neck pain, or you want to fix your posture, or you might have even a pinched nerve like I mentioned before, I would definitely recommend giving this a try. I used to go to get massages and go to chiropractors until I picked one of these up. I didn't think it would replace it, but honestly, after using it for a few weeks every single day for about 10 to 20 minutes or so each session, this has overall improved my posture, and I definitely feel a lot more flexible when it comes to moving my neck and my shoulders around. So I definitely would give this a 5-star. If you're looking for any kind of pain relief, I would definitely recommend picking one of these up.